Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website Chiqui Alta. I'm on a homepage, and I love the pop-up that contains very unique proposition because you offer a fit kit to help find your size. So this is very original, very creative way to collect email addresses, and it is perfect. I understand that this is automated, so people get fit kit right away, but I think it's a very smart way of collecting email addresses that uh, adds something valuable and offers a benefit. So this is a really great start. Chiqui Alta, stand tall. I mean, this is great because it's a tagline. I would use this prime space because it's visible on every page to offer something unique that really help you convert more visitors into buyers, because Stantal obviously it's your tagline, but it um, doesn't really offer anything that can prompt people to buy. So think about adding something a little bit more specific, maybe a free shipping on orders over certain amount, so it will prompt people to place bigger order, perhaps maybe the same day dispatch if they order before certain time. So something that will really prompt people to act and to place an order, which will work to your benefit much better. But I love that you are sticking to your red kind of accent colors within your page, which is great. I love the logo, a very user-friendly navigation. I love that you explain right away what you're offering. You show product in the image, so this is perfect for conversion. You explain which sizes you cover, and you've got link to collection page as well, which is perfect. Okay, so this is really good as well. Further explain what you're offering, which is great. Okay, so another collection to see, which is really good. Okay, so explain what makes you unique, what makes you different from other retailers. It's really important. So this is a really good way of organizing your content on a whole page. Perfect. And obviously testimonials, very important. Everything in place. Instagram profile looks great, very professional. You've got links in the footer as well. So you've got links to your policies, information, subscribe to the newsletter, short information about, and social media links. Perfect. Your social media links open in new tabs, which is absolutely perfect as well. Okay, this is your collection page. The products are clearly displayed. I like that you're showing only 3 items per row, which gives you a little bit more premium feel, which allows people to see the images clearly, which is absolutely perfect. Link to shop to buy the items, images on Switch. So this is really good. Yeah, you've put a lot of work into that website, into optimizing your products. Product titles are SEO friendly. I would optimize the product page a little bit further, perhaps make the font slightly smaller so the title fits into one line, and this way add to cart will be displayed above the fold. You can put size guide, information, mm, perhaps below the button. Doesn't have to take space above the button. You can remove this dividing space, doesn't need to be here, and reduce the size of the elements, because it's all about placing the most important element to convert better and to drive more sales. The most important element on a product page is add to cart, and add to cart button, and it's really difficult to see. It's almost cut off from above the fold. So make sure to optimize this product page better, product page layout, to convert easier. But you've got extra photos as well, which is great. Okay, I would crop them to the same height, so if I click on different image, they just don't jump in front of my eyes, which I feel a little bit uncomfortable. So crop them to the same size to give you more sleek, more professional browsing experience. Battery soft. I love these. I love these. I love these words. Kind of really makes you want to buy it right away. Battery soft leather. It's really nice. It's really a really creative product description. So you've put a lot of effort into that, which is great. Relevant products, which is amazing. You can place them in the middle because it feels like there's one missing here. Okay. Love the extra images here. Okay, so this is introduction to your brand, which is perfect. I would put your photo here because I saw on Instagram you put your own profile photo as the main photo. So I would put it here. It's much more important for people to see who's behind the brand. It will actually help you convert better and sell more because people like to see who is designer, who's behind the brand. They don't like to buy from inauthentic store. They really like to make a connection. So add profile photo, tell about yourself. You can put your name as well because it definitely counts towards conversion rate. Okay, so you can add the fit kit. How to find the size, request a fit kit. Okay, I mean it's a little bit overkill, but because you're only selling flat shoes. So think about how you can reduce the number of information that you ask your customers. The less field there is to fill, the better your conversion rate. You can just ask for name and an email address because you're selling one style of shoe, and basically it's all delivered by email. So you can ask for information such as country or something like that, further down the funnel, but don't ask for this kind of information if someone just wants to find the size to buy your shoes because it's just an obstacle. It doesn't work to your benefit. You want to sell more, so you want to make the browsing experience as easy as possible. Don't expect people to jump through the hoops just to find the right size because they won't likely to do that. Okay, contact us page. So you've got professional email address here. You're located in Spain, so this is perfect. Got message form. I'll just check your returns policy and shipping policy. So you've got 14 days return policy. You've got unique policy, which is perfect. Okay, that's great. And shipping policy. Okay, so you deliver. Okay, free. That's perfect. That's very useful. Very user friendly, clear to understand, clear to find shipping info, which is absolutely perfect. Very well organized content. Okay, I'll have a look at the SEO right now. Your SEO score is 53 out of 100, which is definitely a room for improvement. The meta title and meta description, so this is Google snippet. I would definitely optimize the meta description. It's much too long. It should be up to 165 characters. It feels like there's a lot of numbers, but there's not a concise text here. I can see that it's handmade. I couldn't find this info clearly displayed on a page, and this is really really important. So make sure to really emphasize that the shoes are handmade, um, because this is really really strong selling proposition, handmade in Spain especially. I should put that as the as you can put it as the tagline here because it's really really much more enticing. You can put shoes handmade in Spain, free worldwide shipping or free shipping to Spain or worldwide shipping. You can put from shoes handmade in Spain, shipping worldwide, which is much more enticing and will help you convert much more. Okay, you've got H1 tag, H2 tag, which is perfect. Your your keyword consistency is also really really good. Remember to add image alt tags to all images you add, so product images, collection images, any banners, and so on. Remember to add descriptive SEO friendly alt tags as well because they help Google rank your website and make your website more user friendly and more accessible. You've got a number of broken links, so I would work on that because they can affect your sales if people keep landing on broken links on error pages. So remember to fix them. They can also affect your SEO. Google is not likely to rank a website with plenty of broken links, and if Google can't access some of your pages, they won't index you in a search results, which will affect your position in Google. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn more how to optimize your store for conversion, how to optimize your product page layout to drive more sales, how to add more trust signals, and how to convert more with better content quality, please book a free chat. The link is in the email, and I'll be happy to give you more information how better ranking keywords can help you drive more relevant traffic and how to convert the traffic once it lands on your website, how to convert it into sales. So please book a free chat, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. And thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.